In the world of luxury watchmaking, where many brands lean on royal endorsements and ornamental artistry, IWC Schaffhausen chose a different path. It chose engineering. Founded in 1868 by American watchmaker Florentine Ariosto Jones, IWC, the International Watch Company, was born from an ambitious idea: combine modern American industrial production with the precision of Swiss craftsmanship. At a time when most watchmakers operated through small workshops, this vision was bold. Jones established the company in Schaffhausen, far from the traditional centers of Geneva, harnessing the power of the Rhine River to drive machinery and efficiency. From the very beginning, IWC was built differently. This was not a brand obsessed with decoration. It was a brand obsessed with mechanics. Function over flourish. Precision over poetry. That philosophy became its foundation and ultimately its competitive advantage. While many maisons built their identity around aristocratic heritage and ornamental elegance, IWC built its reputation on technical clarity. Early pocket watches were known for durability and accuracy. Over time, that industrial mindset evolved into something even more powerful: a clearly defined archetype. IWC became the watchmaker for engineers, pilots, explorers, and adventurers. Few collections embody this better than the pilot's watches. Developed in the 1930s and 1940s for military aviators, these watches were designed as cockpit instruments. Large Arabic numerals, high-contrast black dials, luminous hands, oversized crowns that could be adjusted with gloves, anti-magnetic cases to protect against cockpit interference. Every detail had a reason. The big pilot, with its commanding size and uncompromising legibility, didn't whisper luxury. It projected authority. It looked like it belonged in the sky, and that visual honesty resonated deeply. Then came the Portuguese, today known as the Portugieser, born from a unique request in the late 1930s. Two Portuguese merchants asked IWC to create a wristwatch with the precision of a marine chronometer. The solution was radical: use a pocket watch movement inside a wristwatch case. The result was clean, balanced, and exceptionally legible. Slim bezel, railway track minute scale, Arabic numerals, perfect symmetry. It was technical elegance without excess. Decades later, the Portugieser remains one of the most refined expressions of mechanical clarity in the industry. It proves that complexity does not require ornamentation to feel prestigious. And this is where IWC's strategy becomes fascinating. The brand does not attempt to appeal to everyone. It does not reinvent its personality with every trend. Instead, it commits to a consistent identity: masculine, technical, purposeful. Even its Ingenia collection reinforces this narrative. Designed to resist magnetic fields and built with industrial inspiration, it speaks directly to scientists, engineers, and technical professionals. It celebrates resilience over decoration. IWC's perpetual calendars, developed in partnership with master watchmaker Kurt Klaus, are another example. Highly complicated, yet intuitively designed. Sophisticated yet legible. The engineering is remarkable, but the presentation remains balanced and clear. That restraint is intentional. In branding, clarity is strength. When a company defines its archetype precisely, everything aligns: product design, ambassadors, marketing tone, materials, innovation. IWC understands this deeply. Its campaigns often feature aviators, athletes, and explorers. The storytelling centers on achievement, performance, and precision. Even the typography and visual language reflect clean technical confidence. There is no confusion about who IWC is for, and that consistency builds trust. In an industry crowded with centuries of tradition and dramatic storytelling, IWC's quiet assurance stands out. It does not shout about heritage. It demonstrates competence. It does not overwhelm with decoration. It delivers substance. Engineering precision becomes emotional because it represents mastery. From harnessing industrial power in the 19th century to defining the modern pilot watch to refining complicated mechanisms into usable tools, IWC Schaffhausen proves that functionality can be beautiful, and that identity, when consistently executed, becomes powerful. The deeper lesson is this: clear archetype targeting strengthens brand coherence. When a brand knows exactly who it serves, it doesn't dilute its message, it sharpens it. And over time, that sharpness becomes authority. If you enjoyed discovering how engineering, discipline, and clarity built one of the most respected names in watchmaking, stay with us. We dive into the strategy, psychology, and defining decisions behind the world's greatest watch brands, and each story reveals something new about how legacy is built. Follow our channel and join us for the next deep dive. The next brand story might surprise you even more.